Garcia team here with Real Estate 101, and we're back to the purchase contract.
Yep.
Lastly, there is a section called the final verification of property condition.
Yeah.
This is where you, the buyer, along with your buyer's agent, return to the property approximately 5 days before the close of escrow to make sure that the property is still in the same condition as when you first viewed it.
Yep.
And also at that same time, you are going to make sure that all of the repairs that you had requested from your home inspection have also been completed by the seller.
Yep.
And everything has been taken care of.
So thank you, Anna, for explaining the final verification, which is the last thing on the contract. Once you're satisfied, the property is in good shape, sign off on it, you're on your way to closing. I want to thank you all for viewing our segments or our episodes on the purchase contract. What we're finding out is that there's a lot of real estate agents out there that really don't even understand the contract,
Right.
and they're sending out the contract for their buyers to sign,
By DocuSign.
and the buyer has no clue of what they're signing. So make sure that your agent understands every single page. There's
Yes.
15 legal documents that you, the buyer, should be very well aware of. If your agent is not going line through line, item through item with you, I would say get up and run.
Run as
We'll-
fast as you can.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.